Hey guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. It's your girl Sagerita, and if you are new here or if you are here for the very first time, welcome to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I last posted, but how are you guys? How are you doing? How is the new year? I mean, like this year, 2025, I can't even believe that we are actually in February already. But yeah, it's been a lot of change, a lot of growth, a lot of development. It's been hectic, but at the same time, it's been a great time as well. With that being said, in today's video, I came here to share with you guys um, why am I nervous? I don't know. Okay, girl, get it together. Yeah, I know why I'm nervous because today's video is a little bit different from what I usually make because I am trying to be open with you guys, like in general about everything, like my feeling, where I'm at right now, and what is the situation right now. So, yeah, with that being said, today I came here to share with you guys that I resigned from Emirates. And yes, you heard it right. You heard it well. And I know you are like wondering, what? Why? Why did you resign? And I know it's kind of early and I haven't even finished my first contract yet. But yeah, I feel like my time has come, like the time has come. And don't get me wrong, it didn't happen overnight. I've been thinking about it. I've been contemplating this like but times, and it took me quite a while to make this decision. But yeah, I feel like it's time to leave for good, even though without having another job lined up. I mean, I do have a plan though. I do have a plan. But I tell you what, working as a cabin crew for Emirates Airline was an amazing experience. It absolutely changed my life in so many different ways. Like remembering before joining Emirates, I used to work in Dubai as a commercial team. And I was at that point of my life where I needed to do something, like I needed to change. You know, when you feel like stuck somewhere, like, and you know that you have to take state. So I was at that point in my life, and my friend goes like, "Why don't you apply for Emirates? They're hiring, and I think you're like the best fit for that." And I'm like, "Okay." And I've been like an Emirates girly since long time. Like, let's say when I'm traveling from Dubai to Ethiopia to visit my families, I've always played like Emirates, so and I've seen like how the crew are like the cabin crew are like so beautiful and professional, and the service and everything. And I always admire that about Emirates. And I'm like, okay, I need to apply. And that was the best decision of my life. I mean, at the time. And ever since I started working at Emirates, I loved it. I genuinely loved it. And a lot of things changed in a good way, in a positive way. Even though I tend to complain sometimes, like here and there, I genuinely loved it. And I was fortunate enough to get to travel the world and see different countries and cultures that I thought I would never see, and to work with some of amazing people that I never even know that exist, and to have such a job that will allow me and gives me a lot of like so much flexibility in my schedule while being paid for doing it. So yeah, it's been an absolute journey. Sure, like any other job, there are stressors. I'm not saying, yeah, it's the perfect job ever. There are stressors, to be honest. And it could be like the crew reporting culture, or, the fatigue, you'll be tired, angry passenger, or weather delays. The list goes on. But for me, these are not like a daily occurrence, and the good experience greatly outweighed the negative experience that I ever had. So I am not trying to discourage you. For anyone who wants to be a cabin crew at Emirates or any other airline, I'm not trying to discourage you, especially if you are young, not even young, if you are, free, you have a time, you have the freedom. And let's say if you are tired of climbing the corporate ladder, go for it. It's totally worth it. It's like what makes me happy, it doesn't make the next person happy. And I've been reading a lot of posts lately, like people saying, this job is not what you think it is. It's not for everybody. It's not like how glamorous it looks. It's much like saying, being a doctor is not for everyone, or being a model is not for everybody. And if you want to know if this job is for you, the first few months or the first few years are enough for you to know. One thing I can say, like with all the honesty, is it's totally worth it. Like it's worth trying. But for me, at this point of my life, I am married to a wonderful, supportive, and loving person. And I also have a daughter who is like the apple of my eyes. And as much as I love my job and traveling with different people every single day and discover new places, I rather do it with my family. And this right here is what ultimately led me to make this decision. And what's next? If you are wondering, like, if am I gonna be here? Obviously, yes, don't worry, because I got a lot to share. Not only about Emirates, but it could be about anything in life. It could be about working in Dubai. It could be about travel, self-care, self-development, motherhood, you name it. And for you guys, this channel is like a safe place where you could come to and share your thoughts and chat about anything. And I'm going to promise you consistency. I will be going live more often. I will do videos, like 2 videos a week, and there is more ebooks to come. There's more ebooks to drop, so stay tuned. And I will still be doing videos, like I will be doing a realistic day in a life after Emirates, and I'll be giving you some insights on how is my transition into my next chapter. So I'll be taking you in my journey and do like routine videos, morning routine, night routine with my daughter. But when it comes to my main YouTube videos, I'm going to be focusing more on travel contents, like I'm going to be taking you to new destination that I have never been to. I'll be like reviewing my stay in hotels and resorts like thoroughly. So you're gonna love that. And another thing that I wanted to share with you guys today in this video is I have an exciting news, and that is my ebook has been published. You can find it on my profile here on YouTube profile. When you click my profile description, you will find the link right there. You just need to click that. And also, I'm going to keep the link down in this description in this video. The ebook is called the Emirates Assessment Day. Ever since I made the Emirates Assessment Day videos here on YouTube, I have hundreds of inbox every single day asking me, when is the ebook? What is the interview question? How do I prepare myself for the assessment? Everyone was asking me all these questions. So I prepared this ebook for you guys. And I know you guys been waiting. It took me around 3+ months to complete it, working around with the things that I have and going on. So that's why it took me a bit longer, but finally it's out. One thing I want to tell you about this ebook is I try to include as many information as possible so that you guys could get the best out of it. And at the same time, I try to make it as easy and as straightforward as possible, knowing that the Emirates Assessment Day itself is not easy. It's not hard. I don't want to say it's hard, but it's not easy, to be honest. And the training college as well is not easy. So I don't want to make it hard for you guys and add up on that and make it even harder by making the ebook a lot complicated and confusing. So I try to make it as simple as possible, straightforward, alongside covering everything you need to know for applying, about the assessment day, about the group discussion topic, final interview questions. I also try to include sample questions from my actual assessment day. It's also based on my experience as well, because I've only applied once and I attended the assessment day once only. I haven't been rejected or eliminated. So I literally put all the information and everything that I did on the assessment day, starting from the applying process, creating the CV, and everything that you need to know, like my advices, my personal advices, which is not many people talk about it. And it's a 38-page PDF guide that includes all the information that you need in order to land your job at Emirates as a cabin crew. And make sure to download it. You will find the link down in the description in this video. If joining the Emirates is like a dream come true to you, this is the only ebook that you need to read to help you prepare and stand out of all those candidates and get the job. And yeah, guys, that's it. I actually felt so relieved right now because I told you that I resigned and all. Yeah, it felt so much better. And I want to say thank you so much for all of you who showed me a lot of support and love, and I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question regarding anything regarding ebook or about Emirates, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, because if you're watching but you haven't subscribed, that's not fair. So make sure you subscribed and I will see you on another video. Bye.